Hey guys, welcome. Our next adventure. I got a new chest cam. Hopefully I'll just put some POV of me in there. Here, Mitchell, stand right there. And I'm going to pop up and be like, hey guys, today we're on another adventure. So the bikes can't go that way, right? Oh, we can? So what should we do? Oh man, these pants are terrible. Get it close above the ditch.
I gotta pick some bags up in case Rafa has an accident.
I poop, yes. Oh my god, how's it looking in the back? Pretty bad? Got a bug on me, man. I hate bugs. I don't like this.
Oh,
So what should we do? Gosh. Oh man, these pants are terrible. Should we go that way or should we go that way? Because I'm trying. Smell it. Fucking hate them. I fucking hate them. There's nothing dumb to do. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. Just get cinematic shots. Holy shit. Dirty in here. Where's my brother? Yeah, and my phone's gone. Turns out that was like a skinwalker acting like Mitchell.